Have you ever felt stuck in a loop, yearning for change, but unsure where to start? We've all been there, right? Well, today, we're diving into transformative ideas that will revolutionize the way you think about self-improvement. Here at MindTorch, we're all about empowering you with knowledge and actionable strategies to light your path. So buckle up and prepare for a journey of self-discovery and growth. Join us as we explore how to ignite the torch of self-improvement within you. Imagine facing life's challenges with the strength of a warrior. Yes, you heard it right. Each one of us possesses an inner warrior, a reservoir of strength and resilience that remains untapped until we choose to unleash it. This is not about physical strength, but mental resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity, to endure, to push through. Let's take a look at a few examples. Consider Thomas Edison, who made over 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb. Or J.K. Rowling, who was rejected by 12 publishers before one finally gave Harry Potter a chance. They didn't just overcome adversity, they used it as fuel, tapping into their inner warrior to persevere. Now, how can you uncover your own inner warrior? One way is through journaling challenges. Each day, write about a difficulty you faced and how you overcame it, no matter how small it might seem. This practice helps you recognize your own strength and resilience, and over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset. You'll start seeing challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Another method is mindfulness practices. Simply taking a few moments each day to pause, breathe, and tune into your thoughts and feelings can significantly boost your resilience. It's about being present, acknowledging your emotions without judgment, and understanding that it's okay to feel what you're feeling. It's this acceptance and understanding that allow us to bounce back more quickly from life's ups and downs. In this journey of self-improvement, remember that embracing your inner warrior is not about never falling, but about getting back up each time you do. It's about recognizing that every challenge is an opportunity for growth, every setback a chance to come back stronger. Harness your inner warrior and discover a resilience you never knew you possessed. You hold the power to face life's challenges head-on and transform them into stepping stones on your path to self-improvement. So go ahead, unleash your inner warrior, and let's conquer those challenges together. Do you often find yourself trapped in a cycle of overthinking or fear of failure? These mental barriers can be as real as any physical wall, blocking our path to self-improvement and personal growth. But just as a physical wall can be scaled, so too can these mental obstacles be overcome. Consider overthinking, that relentless inner critic that never seems to clock out. It can be our own worst enemy, turning molehills into mountains and casting shadows of doubt over our every decision. But here's a transformative idea. Overthinking is not an incurable condition. It's a habit, and like any habit, it can be changed. Start by recognizing when you're overthinking and consciously choose to step back. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? If the answer is no, allow yourself to let it go. Next, let's tackle the fear of failure. It's a common barrier that keeps many of us from reaching our full potential. But failure is not the end of the road. It's a stepping stone on the path to success. Embrace the idea that it's okay to fail. It's okay to stumble. What's not okay is to let the fear of failure stop you from trying. Make a commitment to yourself to fail forward, using each misstep as a learning opportunity. Self-compassion is another essential tool in overcoming mental barriers. Be gentle with yourself. You're a work in progress, and it's okay to not have all the answers. Remember, self-improvement is not a race, but a journey. Take it one step at a time. Finally, set realistic goals. Goals that stretch you but don't break you. Goals that excite you and ignite your passion. Break them down into manageable steps and celebrate each small victory along the way. This is not just about reaching the finish line, it's about enjoying the journey and growing with every step you take. Break free from the chains of mental barriers and set yourself on a path of endless possibilities. As you embark on this journey, remember, the only limits that truly exist are the ones we place on ourselves. So, go ahead, challenge your limits, break those barriers and embrace the transformative power of self-improvement. What if I told you that your mistakes are actually stepping stones to success? Let's pause for a moment and really consider this idea. It's easy to view mistakes as setbacks, as failings. But what if we reframe our perspective and see them as opportunities for growth? The truth is, every mistake contains within it a valuable lesson. When we stumble, we gain a unique chance to reassess, to understand what went wrong, and to make a conscious choice to do better next time. In this sense, our errors are not stumbling blocks but stepping stones, paving our way to wisdom and personal growth. Consider some of the most successful people in history. Inventors like Thomas Edison or writers like J.K. Rowling didn't reach their heights without a fair share of failures. Edison famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Rowling, on the other hand, faced numerous rejections before finally publishing the Harry Potter series. Both learned from their mistakes and used them as fuel for their future successes. So, how can we apply this mindset to our own lives? It starts with embracing a growth mindset. This means seeing challenges as opportunities, understanding that effort is a necessary part of growth, and most importantly, accepting that failure is not a permanent condition. Next, we need to develop a framework for learning from our mistakes. This involves 3 steps: recognition, reflection, and resolution. Recognition means acknowledging when you've made a mistake. Reflection involves understanding why the mistake happened and what you could have done differently. Resolution is about making a plan to avoid repeating the same mistake in the future. Remember, the key is not to avoid mistakes, but to learn from them. Embrace the fact that you will stumble, you will fall, but each time you do, you're given an opportunity to rise stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. So let's shift our perspective. Let's see our mistakes not as signs of failure, but as signposts pointing us towards growth. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and witness your growth skyrocket. Ever wondered how your relationships impact your mental health and overall well-being? The relationships we cultivate play a pivotal role in our lives. They can be a source of joy and fulfillment, but they can also become a drain on our mental and emotional resources if not handled with care. Let's talk about the importance of healthy relationships. A healthy relationship is not just about being happy all the time. It's about communication, understanding, and respect. It's about being able to express your thoughts and feelings openly without fear of judgment. It's about listening to the other person's perspective and taking it into account. This is not just applicable to romantic relationships, but also to friendships, family ties, and professional connections. Boundaries, too, are a crucial part of healthy relationships. They help define what is acceptable and what is not in a relationship. Setting boundaries allows us to protect ourselves, to maintain our individuality, and to ensure mutual respect. Remember, it's perfectly okay to say no when your boundaries are being crossed. Self-awareness is another key aspect. It's about understanding your feelings, your needs, and your reactions. The more self-aware you are, the better you can communicate your needs and understand others. But how do we recognize and avoid toxic patterns in our relationships? Here are some tips. First, listen to your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Second, watch out for consistent negativity, constant criticism, or a lack of respect. These are all signs of a toxic relationship. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek help. Professional guidance can be invaluable in navigating these complex issues. Remember, building healthy relationships is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that requires effort, understanding, and patience. But the rewards are well worth it, so start today. Communicate openly, set your boundaries, be self-aware, and steer clear of toxic patterns. Nurture healthy relationships, and watch how they positively impact your journey to self-improvement. Today, we've embarked on a journey that has the power to change our lives. Embrace resilience, learn from mistakes, and nurture healthy relationships. Ignite the torch of self-improvement within you, and let the journey to a better you begin today. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Your time and attention are deeply appreciated. Our aim is to help you unlock your full potential, and we're thrilled to have you with us on this journey. If this video resonated with you, or you think it might inspire someone you know, don't hesitate to hit the like button and share it. Your comments are valuable to us. They help us understand your needs better and tailor our content accordingly. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more transformative content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, the power to change lies within you.